Okay, well Preston's a wiener, so here's a bike.
Butts.
And then there's Nate. Fucking Presto Modesto, Molesto. He's taping his fucking grip, piece of shit cult.
Cult's sick.
Okay. I don't know what back hell this is. It's a cult free coaster though. It's a match. Yep, you won. BSD wears no frame. Painted it because I'm a fucking pooner. Stock Mirko stem, just sanded it. Cult. Whatever forks, I think there's something for it. BSD street front hub. Looks like a biatch. Tan Donache. Wheel tires. Stock Mirko pedals. Something odd cranks, but they're backwards, so my pedals loosen. Colony Menace. Hub guard. You're like no hub guard, fucking guarded this rocket. And then some random chain. I fucking played a game of life with my friend.
Look, that's a piece of crap.
And then my cult seat.
Stock Cult CCO one frame seat.
I even have it taped because I stuck it on my butt so much it broke. Fit Benny L grips. You just say shit. Yeah. Got pegs and stuff. Only one hub guard because I'm street. And the only reason I use a free coaster is because of this kid. So I can film backwards.
Film backwards?
And that is my bike check, motherfuckers.